You know that bees build honeycombs. That's where we get our honey from. But did you know that this honeycomb is made up of hexagonal cells like this one, this one, this one. Lots and lots of hexagonal cells. In fact, the word cell phone comes from the fact that honeycombs are made up of hexagonal cells, because cell phone towers also cover like a hexagonal area. Anyway, the question says that a honeycomb is made up of many regular hexagons. The perimeter of one of these hexagons is given. It is 18 millimeters, very, very small. So I have blown this up here for us to see. How long is one of its sides? We want to know what about this side length. Okay, but it is given that it is a regular hexagon. So that means if this is S, this must be S, this must be S, this must be S, this must be S, and that also must be S. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why it's called a hexagon. Hexa means 6. So this has 6 sides. So what about the perimeter? 6 times S. But we have been told that it is 18 millimeters. Okay. So that means 6 times S is 18. Right? The perimeter 6 times S is 18. 6 times what is 18? 6 times 3 is 18. You know that 18 can be written as 6 times 3. So what should S be? S must be equal to 3. And what should be the unit? Well, the perimeter was in units of millimeters. So this side must also be in units of millimeters. So this is one way to do the question, right? Solve the question. There is another way to solve the question. Okay, so this is one approach. Let us now look at another approach. 6 times S is 18. Whatever I do to the left side, I should do the same thing to the right side, multiplication or division. I can multiply by 2 on the left side, then I must multiply by 2 on the right side. I can divide by 2 on the left side, I can divide by 2 on the right side. It is my choice what I want to do, but whatever I do to the left, I must do also to the right. I am now going to divide the left side by 6, which means I must also divide the right side by 6. Why did I divide by 6? Because the numerator has a 6. So this 6 and this 6 will cancel, leaving only S. So S is equal to 18 by 6. 6 into 1, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 6 into 3, 18. So 18 by 6 is 3. And what unit should we use? For 18, what did we use? Millimeters. So the same unit we have to use for the side length S. Okay. So this is one approach where we are taking this equation and we are dividing both sides by 6. This is another approach where we are trying to think about 18. 18 is 6 into what? 18 is 6 into 3. So that S must be equal to 3 millimeters.